When we think of creativity, it's easy to associate it with ideas. But actually, there are many ways that your brain can be creative, and applying different methods can help you generate ideas. The most important is to test things out in a different ways and see which way has the biggest impact on the most significant. And when you are done with your testing, you can essentially have a variation of brainstorming, which is one of the most important aspects of potentiality. Let's see a couple of points. Number 1, write down everything you think about. The best way to get creative, juices flowing, is to write down whatever comes to your mind. If you have a pen and paper nearby, jot down the thoughts as they occur to you. You may find yourself writing down random things, but if you kept at it, you will eventually start to notice patterns and connections between seemingly unrelated topics. Number 2, get out of your head. If you want to generate many ideas, try getting away from your desk and going elsewhere. Walking around, you will probably notice things you wouldn't otherwise. And if you are sitting still, you might not even realize how much time passes until you look back at your watch. Number 3, use a different perspective. Try looking at something from a different angle. Instead of seeing a problem, imagine what would happen if you had solved it. Or instead of thinking about a solution, consider what could go wrong. Number 4, make a list. A simple list can help you organize your thoughts and focus on specific problems. Start with few broad categories, then add subcategories as you think of them. Number 5, take a note. You don't need to take detailed messages. Ensure you capture enough information to refresh your memory later. You will likely remember details you didn't catch, missed as you work. Number 6, brainstorm. Brainstorming is a great way to generate ideas. Talk aloud without worrying about grammar or spelling. You all often come up with reasonable solutions before you know it. Number 7, ask questions. When you are stuck, ask yourself, what if? What if I did this differently? What if I tried that? What if I asked someone else? These questions can lead you to new ideas.